trying this soup today, and I have special guests with me, Nevaeh and SJ. Well, her real name is Honest, but I told her just that. So hey, SJ. Oh, she tried that out long enough. So yeah, she'll be sitting there for a little bit while she's trying to get my bowl. So here's a
you get her some
potato.
Yes,
I'll give you some. You better eat it.
oh my gosh, I hear something.
Oh, eat it.
And she got her hair done last night. She's like, shaky. Give me some. I want a potato. That's good.
Now I'm trying the meat.
They can't see her hair. She's reaching for her food. You know how her mouth like, ooh. She said, good. You done. She still chewing her potato. You like to shaking. But her hair isn't done. See? At the top. I'm gonna do the rest of her hair. Ow! Kiki. Today. Christian got a big old bed. You heard me tonight? Christian got a big bed. Let's sleep in Christian bed. And Christian sleep in that room with her mama. Give me some of her.
You want this? Yeah, it is good.
What is it?
A potato. With that potato?
You know you can cut potatoes in half and put it in the microwave. Put it like that down the middle and put it in the microwave and then you can eat in the inside. It'd be good. But y'all ain't got no sour cream and stuff. Y'all ain't got no sour cream.
That was good. I give my mama the soup, thumbs up. The hot chocolate, thumbs up. And I rated it to hot chocolate to 100, and I made the soup 99. What did I say? Banana. What you doing? You okay? That baby okay? Sit up, bro.
Cause her mama.
Here, watch her.
Her mama go. Bella. That's why she does like that. What is that for? I mean stuff. You're all in the camera. Get your booty up the camera. SJ. Her booty in the camera.
Get back, girl.
Get back, girl. Get back, girl. Get back,
Hit the camera on the stove.
Get back,
You can't get on the stove.
Get back, girl. And watch. She about Don't let her. Oh.
Our last hot chocolate.
You said the other one.
Actually, this one is not actually one.
You wrong for that. Why they haven't got no more milk yet?
Get back there.
Oh, it's still surprising.
Close that refrigerator. Stop. Stop. No. Stop.
I'm not.
Stop. Stop.
You cut it so like you cut
Oh, sit down. Y'all can still see me. Oop.
It's that you thirsty.
Look, it's getting puffier.
Thirsty.
Look, y'all.
Thirsty, girl.
It's getting puffy. That makes sense.
Drink it. You know how to drink out of a straw?
Yeah. Ooh. Alright, now I have to wipe this up.
You know how to drink out of a straw.
Oh, it got puffy though. It just not got puffy.
She just chewing the thing and not drinking.
I gotta get to it. See, it got puffy. And I got some marshmallows. That was weird. I'm about to eat all my marshmallows.
Nope. Why you almost drink I did. You can run out. First,
Well, drink water.
I came in because I wanted to play football with them and that wasn't coming.
You stay there. You ain't going back out there.
Go. What'd you say?
You ain't going back outside.
You can go outside, but you have to run outside.
Get off the stove, girl. You gonna break it. Look, I got a little mustache.
Now you do it. I don't get to it. No, what?
Ooh.
And you really don't stop all of it. No, I didn't.
Get water. You just came out from outside. That's not good. You drink Kool-Aid and you just came out from outside.
And the bed did too.
Oh, she drank water. Then she got good. Yes, she did.
I did drink some water. But you got some of that. So.
Thank you. Thumbs up. Subscribe. And comment a chat.